Yeah, thank you for joining me live. Yeah, welcome to this channel. Today being the 21st day of November 2025. Yes, so I would like us to discuss one very important thing, or rather, some things you need to know about the challenge that people will be facing, most people will be facing in their bank come next year. I hope you can hear me. If you are live, please, I want you to join me. Yes, if you are live, please join me. If you are live, please join me in this broadcast. Yeah, if you are live, please join me. Type "I am here" on the comment section. Type "I am here" on the comment section. So today we'll be talking about one of the most intriguing and challenging thing that people will face come January, come February, come March next year, when the newly enacted tax law of Federal Republic of Nigeria will be fully signed into law, or will be fully operational, or rather will become operational and functional. And one of these challenges is what? Is name mismatch. One of these challenges is what? Name mismatch. Yes, this is the number one challenge that people will face next year. Because this name mismatch comes in various ways. It comes in various ways. It can come in form of wrong name mismatch or wrong name arrangement, or BVN incorrect arrangement, NIN incorrect arrangement, BVN spelling or wrong spelling, NIN wrong spelling, name wrong spelling, name mismatch. These are the major challenges that people will be facing next year. So I'll be discussing about it in a jiffy. I'll be discussing about it and the importance of you doing what? Fixing your bank issues. Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are joining us, if you are joining me live, you are most welcome. You are most welcome. Type "I am here" on the comment section. Type "I am here" on the comment section. Hollywood Pop, at Hollywood Pop, you are most welcome. At Hollywood Pop, you are most welcome. Okay. Yes. Hello, hello. Type "I am here." Okay, good. I can see it. Hollywood Pop, you are most welcome. Yes. You are most welcome. You are most welcome, my wonderful fans, my lovers all over the world. You are most welcome. Okay, this live webinar or this live session entails what we want to achieve is to educate our people to do the right thing in their accounts. I want to encourage you to do the right thing in your account. Okay, so I'll be discussing in a jiffy. It's not going to be a long webinar. It's not going to be a long session. It's going to be a short one, roughly 30 minutes. This live session will be over. Okay, this webinar is meant for those of you that have accounts in Nigeria, whether you are in Nigeria or whether you're a Nigerian or not, non-Nigerians, both in Nigeria and in diaspora. This live webinar is meant for you. You can call me your celebrity banker, your account officer. Okay, so let's dive into the matter properly once again. So like I was already saying before, we'll be talking about name mismatch, because it comes majorly in three different ways. Account name mismatch, which can be as a result of name arrangement or wrong name arrangement. The next one is BVN name mismatch and name wrong arrangement. Then the other one is your NIN name mismatch or name wrong arrangement. So let's start with the first one, that of your account. If your account name is Mr. Okeke Chioma Ibekwe, take for instance, your last name, which is also your surname, is Okeke. Your first name is Chioma, and then your middle name is Ibekwe. Take for instance, okay, let's say Okeke Chioma Ibekwe, and that is your account name. It is expected that your BVN should also be in the same format. It is expected that when we print your BVN details, we should be able to see that your surname or your last name is Okeke, written on the surname or last name column. And secondly, your first name, being Chioma, should be written on the first name column. And now your last name, your middle name, which is what? Your middle name, which is usually optional, should be Ibekwe, written on the middle name column. But most of the times we see that some people, they will have their last name written as middle name because they call it last name. They now see it as what? They now write it at the end at the middle name column. This is a problem. It will result to what? To name mismatch, because by the time we place it in the system will tag it to be what? To be a wrong account name arrangement, or what is popularly called name mismatch. That's a professional name that it is called in the banking system. It will be tagged as name mismatch. So by the time it is tagged as name mismatch, the tax authorities cannot issue you with what? With your tax number. So they will now require you to go back and do what? And fix it. So again, the people that have NIN, their NIN, national identification number, wrongly arranged for one reason or the other, or what I just explained. Now, this name arrangement can also come as a result of marriage. Now, somebody is doing change of name as a result of marriage, or somebody is just doing normal change of name because he or she wants to change his or her name for official record or for official purpose. You are supposed to go and get your account details, your account name and date of birth regularized in your bank. Now, some people change it in their ID card, international passport, national driver's license, and all other national ID cards, but they don't effect the same changes in their account and in their BVN. And remember, when you change this name arrangement in your account details, do same in your BVN, do same in your ID cards, so that everything will become what? Will become one. So, because these are the issues that people will have. And these issues, they don't take, you can't resolve them within 24 hours. It takes time before you can resolve them. Take, for instance, for you to effect change on your BVN, it takes 24 hours to 72 hours, working hours. So that means if you have money in your account and you quickly want to fix it because you are in a hurry, you're already trapped, you're already in a fix, you get stuck, you see that you can't fix it under a day or two. And if it happens to fall into the weekends, that means it will take like 1 week or thereabout before you get it fixed. Now, the second aspect of it is that for those of you that want to effect changes on your NIN, that one takes like a month or two. It takes roughly 21 working days, which is roughly 1 month. Some takes 15 working days, that's roughly 3 weeks. You'll find out, you discover that you cannot do what? You're already trapped because you can't access your account except until you regularize your account. So these are the issues that people will be facing. These are the challenges that our people will be facing. So that's why I'm taking time to do what? To do this live session. So if you are there, I want you to type I am there. If you are there, I want you to type I am there. And kindly please give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like, and please share and invite other people. Okay, so back to the discussion. Another thing you need to take note is that your bank name arrangement, your bank takes at least 48 to 78 hours, working hours, for them to equally effect changes on your account. So that you won't say, oh, let me just go and get my document and get this thing fixed right away. It takes a little time because they will have to reconcile all this mismatch and then give your account what? A unique name identification and arrangement, which the tax authorities will now look at, and they now give you what? A unique tax identification number for taxing purposes. Now, for those of you that married and for that reason you want to change, you want to effect name change on your ID card, your bank details, you need to start the process right away. We have barely 1 month to go, because by this time next month, that will be 21st of December 2025, the year must have been rounding up. Most government offices are rounding up. So you have just roughly 1 month to do that, to effect these changes. And you can actually do it now, between now and December 2nd week, and get your account fixed and get your account corrected. So if you are there, please type I am there. If you are here with me, type I am here with me on the comment section. If you are here with me, type I am here on the comment section. Type I am there on the comment section. Okay, back to the discussion. So I want you to tell me, have you experienced any of these challenges I've mentioned earlier? Have you experienced any of this name mismatch in the time past in your account? Have you experienced it in your BVN? Have you experienced it in your NIN, your account details, or your account details? Have you experienced any of this name mismatch? Have you experienced it? If you have experienced it, please say I have experienced it on the comment section. Hello, is anybody there? If you have experienced it, please do say it on the comment section. Thank you very much. Let's proceed as I round off this session. This session, I promise, is not going to be lengthy. So what are you going to do? I've said it earlier. Just to reiterate what I've said earlier, you are supposed to take your ID card, your government ID card, that's your NIN. Take your NIN, take your BVN, your bank verification number, NIN, national identification number, and then take your account number to your bank. First of all, to get this ID, to get this tax ID card, or to get this tax number, you need to take your ID card, that's your NIN, your BVN, and your account number. You take it to where? To your bank, so that they can do what? They can link it up together. But to get the tax ID, sorry, you just need to get one passport, your NIN, and your BVN. Of course, when you get the number, you now go to your bank and link, or you get it ready. By the time the government says you can start linking, you now take it to your bank. But you need to get this number ready. You need to get it number ready. It's always in certificate form. You need to get it ready. It's always in certificate form. So get it ready, so that by the time they say that people should start linking, you can now do what? You can now go ahead and link. And I believe by that January, there will also be a portal. I will share it on this channel. There will be a portal where you can easily link yours. There should be a portal on that. There's also a portal where you can generate this number, but it has not been fully published. But at the meantime, you can visit any of the FIRS authorities or FIRS offices in Nigeria nearest to you. So this webinar is strictly meant for Nigerians and foreigners who have accounts in Nigeria. So do not say it doesn't concern me, because by the time the law will be fully operational, what happens? Everybody becomes what? Prone and vulnerable to cash related issues. So thank you very much. As I take your questions on the comment section, please, if you have any question on the comment section, please do well to drop your question on the comment section. So I will wait to take your questions on the comment section, and I will attend to them. Are you with me? If you are with me, say I am with you. If you are with me, say I am with you. Okay, in the absence of no question, I'd like to say thank you very much for joining me. For those of you that are connected, thank you for joining me in this live session. See you next time, same channel, next week. By Monday, we'll be having another live session where I'll be coming up with another topic. I know you wouldn't like to miss that of next week, Monday. I'll be discussing a whole lot on Monday. Watch out this space for more updates on any bank related issue. So feel free to come to this channel to get information on any bank related issue. Any bank related issue. That's why you can call me your celebrity banker. I'm going to be unraveling so many things you need to know about your bank. I'm going to be unraveling it so that the essence of what I'm doing is for sensitization, for public awareness, for people not to fall victim of scams and scammers. That's the essence of this channel. So you can call me your celebrity banker or your online account officer. We are in this together. I will take you, I will carry you along, and I will help you in your banking needs, so that at the end of the day, you'll be happy you did. Thank you very much. I remain your celebrity banker. Bye. See you on Monday next week. Thank you very much.